the chain. Here's the chain. A flourishing nation, a national scientific community is essential. If it's essential, what does that mean?
Necessary.
Necessary for a successful economy. So if you want to have a successful economy, then you have to have a flourishing scientific community. Are we cool with this? Did we get this flipped around? Because they reordered the sentence, but that doesn't matter. That doesn't change what's necessary or sufficient. Chris, you cool with this?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. For such a community to flourish requires that many young people become excited enough about science that they resolve to become professional scientists. Okay, bottom line is if you want to flourish, then these young people need to come around, okay? Are we cool with that? And good communication between scientists and the public is necessary to spark that excitement. In other words, if you want to have that excitement, you have to have good communication. So,
Well, good communication with the public.
if you want to have a successful economy, then you have to have a flourishing scientific community, which requires these youth to be excited about becoming scientists, which requires communication. So this requires this, or if you don't have this, then you're not going to have this. Sound good? That's exactly what answer choice C does. No economy can be successful unless the scientists have communicated well, unless they've done this. In other words, if you don't have this, then you won't have that. What answers were we debating here? Hey, if scientists communicate with the public, ooh, I'm already nervous. It's the end of our chain, right? Many young people will become excited backwards.
Okay.
Cool. So it sounds like maybe when you looked at the last two sentences, or maybe the last sentence, you made the necessary condition the excitement part.
Yeah, I think it's right there.
Okay.
How about B?
Answer choice B. The extent to which the the extent to which a national scientific community flourishes depends principally on the number of people who become excited enough. This is starting to talk about amounts. This just said, hey, if you want to flourish, you need this. But the amount that it flourishes, the extent to which it flourishes, depends mainly on this, not necessarily. Remember, one thing can have multiple necessary conditions, and this may just be one of many, and others are much more important. Still necessary, but it doesn't mean that it depends mostly on that. Yes?
Oh, yeah, I guess it goes back to like that many, not meaning like it's modified, I guess. Like how many can be one.
Oh, are you talking about answer choice B, or are you talking about something?
Like that's the one I picked because it like says it requires that many young people, and I guess I kind of look at that as like it requires that most young people.
Yeah, even if it said most, that wouldn't tell us how much it depends on this, or how much it's going to flourish is going to depend on this. Like, this is just an on or off switch. If you want to have a flourishing scientific community, then you've got to have these young people excited, many or most. But it doesn't mean that necessarily more young people are going to lead to greater flourishment.
Yeah. So
If that's even a word. Wait, what?
So like just at least one young person.
Or if they said most, then most. But what we're starting to talk about when it says the extent to which the community flourishes, that's talking about how much is it flourishing. We never even got into that. We just said if you want it to flourish, on or off. Either it flourishes or it doesn't. And if it does, we need most or many. In this case, we need many. But even if it said most, it wouldn't tell us anything about the amount it's flourishing.
Oh, okay. That
Cool.
makes sense.
All right. Any other questions? Yeah, Logan?
Just a broad question.
Yeah.
On these types of questions, like most support from the passage.
Yeah.
Has there, or have you seen like a circular reasoning where A leads to, so if A, B, if B, C, if C, A. So you have A, B, C.
A circle?
Yeah.
I've never seen a
Okay.
circle.
Then-
But they should do a circle.
And then the
Eternal-
like, most supported would be like B to A, because you go B, C, A.
Yeah. Clever. Write your own question, Logan.
It's a flat.
All right. All right, we're done with that.